unscalable. It has become so much.
Myntri Rangbah ka jala ukadrat ke sangma ula ai ka jingiro yo Myntri Rangbah do kari Narendra Modi barula ong bo don ka jingburam ba ka jing iet yo Modi da ka ba ong bo Myntri Rangbah do ula Kyntiew yo ka Thain Shatei Mihngi shaki Kyrdan ba kham shaneng haka jinga kren jung u bat unong pathai khubor ka DD India u Vishal Baristu haka constituency jung u ha South Tura u sangma ula penpau ba ka NPP ka kloy ban thau sarkar sinrop lang hadien jong ka election.
The Honorable Prime Minister is somebody I deeply respect. He has been somebody who has shown a lot of care for the Northeast region and for our state also. We have received a lot of support from him in the last 5 years. So definitely the respect and the love is always there. He was always very close with my late father also. So all that relationship is always there. These are election times, so of course every party will say their own things and will make statements in the election campaign. That happens, but I'm sure that even in the future, as we go forward and in the next 5 years, we will still continue to get the support from the Honorable Prime Minister.